Good afternoon children. So, today is the 12th session for the chapter synthetic fibers and plastics. So, what did we learn in the previous session? In the 11th session, we learnt about the characteristic properties of plastic which makes it popular in use. So, today we will see the other way around, that is harmful effects of plastics. So, we know that plastics are harmful, but let us list out what are those and how plastics harm us and harm environment also. Now, plastics are non-biodegradable, that is, it cannot be acted upon by bacteria which is called as scavengers, in other words. Therefore, it will remain as it is, clogged in the land, because of which plants cannot grow properly, the roots cannot extend properly, and also many of the problems like rainwater does not percolate inside, and we do not get aquifers, that is deposits of water. No, water does not seep inside the soil, so you do not get aquifers. Aquifers are nothing but water reservoirs below the earth. So, when plastics are clogged in the soil, in the land, so it does not allow, isn't it? It does not allow the water to pass in. So, because of which it's become a major problem, isn't it? And also plastics, polythene bags which is used to cover many things, and which we use to carry things. We bring it from stores. So, those are then again used as we just use it and throw it, isn't it. So, it goes along with the other waste garbage, and it is thrown into the municipal garbage system, isn't it, where they are either burnt. If they are burnt, then poisonous gases are released. So, the release of poisonous gas when it is burnt, the release of poisonous gases will cause air pollution, So, this release of poisonous gases which cause air pollution will indirectly affect human beings by causing respiratory disorders. Which are the respiratory disorders caused by air pollution? Asthma, bronchitis, etc. So, we can say that when we burn plastics, when plastics are burnt, they release harmful poisonous gases which causes air pollution, which in turn causes respiratory disorders like asthma, bronchitis, etc. Bronchitis is nothing but infection of bronchioles. So, alveoli is further, you will understand it from biology teacher. So, bronchitis is nothing but, you know about asthma, isn't it? Bronchitis is nothing but infection of bronchioles. Okay. So, it is part of lungs only. Okay, capillaries, small capillaries of lungs itself. Okay. Now, the second, I just told you that the rain it clogs the drain also. It clogs the drain. So, clogs the drainage system. So, when it is thrown into rivers and lakes, they clog the drainage system, thereby blocking the waste, isn't it? The flow of water is blocked, isn't it? It causes a major problem. It causes blockage, isn't it? It causes blockage of drainage system. So, plastics which are used and thrown into the river bodies or water bodies clogs the drainage system, which blocks the flow of waste, isn't it? So, third major harmful effect of using plastic, can you tell me? So, one was about release of gases, the other was clogging of drainage system. Then we had spoken about it. See, the last harmful effect of plastic is that, you know, when we throw food covered in a plastic cover, animals try to eat the food, you know, stray animals try to eat the food. In that process they gulp the plastic. When they gulp the plastic, it chokes their respiratory system or chokes their food tract, thereby they die. Okay, indirectly it is killing animals. So, it may choke the digestive tract, of animals. So, it may be aquatic animals also, because water bodies, if we throw plastic, you might have heard of aquatic bodies, you know, gulping the plastic, trying to eat the food inside it, which causes their death, right. So, these are the major harmful effects of plastics. First is, let us revise, when burnt, plastics release harmful gases which cause air pollution, which indirectly affects the health of the human beings by leading to respiratory problems like asthma and bronchitis. When plastics are thrown to water bodies, they clog the drain and blocks the drainage system. When animals gulp them or ingest them along with the food, so it may choke their digestive system and thereby the animal might get killed. So, this is it for today's session. So, in tomorrow's session, in the next session, we will take up how to the 4 R's of plastics, you know, how we can control the use of plastic and reduce the harmful effect. Okay. Thank you for now. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.